Welcome to our channel. I hope you guys are doing good in this pandemic. Please maintain social distance, stay home, and stay safe. Today we have an interesting update on a super sports tourer, the new Yamaha R7. So please watch our video without skipping to know all the details. Yamaha has officially unveiled its upcoming middleweight super sport tourer R7, which will be replacing the R6 from the Japanese bikemaker's international lineup. The company shared a teaser of the fared motorcycle on its YouTube channel, giving a sneak peek of the upcoming machine. A set of leaked images further clarified details about the superbike. Now, the manufacturer has officially revealed the motorcycle in its production form along with its specs and other details. Serving as a replacement to the outgoing R6, the latter was discontinued last year after it failed to comply with stricter Euro 5 emission standards. Starting with its design, Yamaha has retained the aggressive styling of R6 in the new R7 while adding a few subtle variations in order to distinguish itself from its predecessor. It gets a fully revised front end with a single pod headlight instead of twin pod LED units in R6. The LED headlight is positioned inside an air intake ram, which also gives the front end of the bike a twin beam design. The headlamp is also flanked by twin LED DRLs, giving the motorcycle a menacing face. The front windscreen is taller than its predecessor, providing better protection from wind blast. The side fairings have also been completely revised that feature massive scoops redirecting hot air away from the rider's legs. The muscular fuel tank features a signature grille pattern complemented by taut lines which enhance its aerodynamic qualities. The tail section is sharp and upright as a usual Yamaha R series, but looks more audacious than the previous iteration. The fared Super Sport motorcycle will be offered in two color schemes, Raven Black and Team Yamaha Blue. Body-colored alloy rims on the latter add an extra bit of sporty appeal to the bike. Other notable highlights include a clip-on handlebar, rear set foot pegs, split seat setup, and underbelly exhaust with a short muffler. The new R7 shares most of its mechanical bits with the MT-07 Naked Street Fighter. Hence, it will be powered by a 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine which pumps out 72.4 bhp at 8750 rpm and 67 nanometers of torque at 6500 rpm. This motor is mated to a 6-speed gearbox. The engine comes with 2 cylinders, 4 strokes, 4 valves DOHC, Euro 5. It generates 73.4 PS at 8750 rpm of maximum power and 67 nanometers torque at 6500 rpm. And it comes with a liquid cooling system and has fuel injection system. Looking at the suspension of this bike, you will get a USD fork at the front and a swing arm, link suspension, at the rear. And it has a hydraulic dual disc brake of 298 mm at the front and a hydraulic single disc brake of 245 mm at the rear. It comes with dual channel ABS. And comes with 17 inches 120/70 ZR1 section tubeless tire at the front and a 180/55 ZR1 17 inches tubeless tire at the rear. The overall dimension of this bike is 2070 mm overall length, 705 mm overall width, seat height is 835 mm and the minimum ground clearance is 135 mm. And has 13 liters fuel tank. The bike is expected to go on sale in Europe in a few weeks' time. Upon its launch, the new R7 will rival the likes of Aprilia R660 and Kawasaki Ninja 650. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe for more.